Today, we review the best 5 chisel set that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Stanley 16 to 150 series short blade 3-piece chisel set. Whether you have an existing chisel set or you are a beginner woodworker, this set contains 3 chisels that measure 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch in size. The heat-tempered and hardened carbon steel blades have been fully precision ground on all faces, which provides extra durability, strength, and ensure a razor-sharp fine edge. Stanley has also coated the blade with a special rust-resistant lacquer to protect the blade in harsh workplace conditions.
Number 2.
Workpro 3-piece chisel set. This set comes with 3 chisel sizes, 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch, and the sizes are conveniently displayed on the blade. The drop-forged chrome vanadium blade is durable and has been specially heat-treated to ensure razor-sharp edge retention. Perfect for multi-purpose general woodworking and carving tasks, the beveled edge can be used to cut mortises, shave rough surfaces, and scrape off glue from softwood, hardwood, and laminated wood.
Number 3.
Narex 853,053 6-piece chisel set. These superbly crafted chisels are made in the Czech Republic and can be used for any woodworking application. Highly functional, the set boasts a great collection of 6 different sized chisels: 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 13/16, and 1 1/32 inch. You do not have to guess which is the right chisel for a job, as each chisel has its size etched into the blade.
Number 4.
Erwin Tools Marples Woodworking Chisel Set. Razor-sharp high-carbon steel blade hardened to 5/8 HRC for extra resistance to chipping and improved edge retention. 25 degrees beveled edge. This high-performing chisel set includes 6 chisels with 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch blades, which are perfectly suited for traditional fine woodworking applications. The longest chisel is 11 inches in length, while the shortest is 9.5 inches, so you have plenty of versatile leverage to get your work done.
Number 5.
VonHaus 8% Craftsman Woodworking Wood Chisel Set. This well-crafted set includes 6 sizes: 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 13/16 inch, 1 inch, 1-1/4 inch, and 1-1/2 inch blades, as well as a aluminum oxide sharpening stone and a honing guide. Precision ground, razor-sharp chrome vanadium steel alloy blades are treated for strength and durability. Narrow side bevels allow for precise and quick flattening and sharpening.